Hello, I'm Regan Nichols, Superintendent of the Sequim School District. In partnership with the Jamestown S'Klallam Tribe, I would like to invite you to a special celebration of the renaming of our stadium and field. Stachung Stadium and Myron Tetrude Field will be renamed on September 16, 2022.
Manu ait squachi siam nisjayacha. Uchsia and sna, chistatiklam nuskayamson, tinasna lani greninger. Manu a ich squachi, I ait squachi ianuk. Manku I atian sana. Hatningsin atian satla, I aitqui atian satla. Aitia nachchangin. The Jamestown S'Klallam Tribe is so excited to offer the name of Stachung, meaning wolf, for the Sequim football stadium. This name is so important to us, it's sacred. We value all of our animals as brothers and sisters in creation, and so therefore they are sacred to us. But we also believe that the Jamestown people have descended from the wolf village, from the wolf people. The wolf is so known for its wit and its intelligence, often outsmarting all the other animals in the woods. We also know the wolf as a community animal. It is always in packs. So, what a perfect name for this stadium that shows our intelligence as a people, but also shows us as community-focused, coming together. What a great name, and we are so excited to offer it up.
It began when Myron became the high school team manager for football and basketball. His enthusiasm continued through the years as he attended almost every football, basketball, baseball game, and track event. He sold tickets, handed out programs, greeted fans, encouraged the band, helped the cheerleaders get the crowd cheering, while always wearing purple and gold with his high school letterman jacket. Myron was honored during the 100th anniversary of Sequim High School as the Fan of the Century. It is for this reason we celebrate Myron Tetrude for his love for everything Sequim and rename the Sequim High School field Myron Tetrude Field.
Quana sungast hai, ana qui at saayas.
You won't want to miss this historic event happening at the newly renamed Stachung Stadium on September 16th at 4:45. We'll see you there.